All right, there you go, guys. Here we are, before and after. This house is getting raised. We're here in Paddington. Another job for our mate Hilton. Go down here, got it all cleaned out, ready for my brother to come in with his team and put the gear under the house to lift it. Going out the backyard, the house is going to move forward a bit. Alright, and all is dug out. Here's the back. Here we are, that deck's coming off, so that's going to come off today or tomorrow. I'll have all that down so it's out of the way. It'll just be you work the basic Queenslander, little Queenslander that'll be going up and slide forward, and then of course the extension will go on later. After they've dug it out, they're going to dig it all out. As Hilton did on his place 2 doors down. This is all going to get dug out down there. A new wall going in, new fence, all dug out down to this concrete level here, I believe. So yeah, that's all getting dug up and taken away. So cool. All right, that's where it's at. All ready to go, and we'll keep you posted as we get more done. It's almost got the laundry out of the way. Just got to take those walls out, and then my brother can get in with his team and raise the house. That'll be happening later on this week. Hopefully take a video of that. All right, guys, thanks for joining us. Catch you again soon. Bye.